Funny Bone Live Abuja. Responsible.
First of all, before I start this, let me say this is my first time in Abuja. Put your hands together for yourself. Yeah, feels good. We don't hear so many music here. Musicians are actually very amazing. I heard they take something backstage. Musicians, say musicians plenty for this country past song. The best way to do it, I just the reason made the president of this country just talk to make all the music for this country they for pure English, no pidgin. It go help to saturate. Yes, now all those P Square, all those their song where they sing with pidgin, they will change them to English now. All those, you get to see they do me, you go change them to English. There is how it is doing me. Yes, sir. All those with the video they shout, why they can't they para now lie, why are they now shouting? They are screaming at me. Why is everybody getting furious? Music go mumu eh. A portable I define whether you go fit sing again. Oh my God. Abuja, when I did very nice oh. The reception here is so amazing. See for the airport, like everybody here all day paying. Everybody they wear native. You don't know who get money, you don't know who be malam. Everybody, you don't know who get money. And then when they polite, see the girls now. See, I see how some of the little girls, they take pictures with Funny Bone like that. Hi, Funny Bone. My name is Miriam. This is my friend Zainab. I want to take a picture with you. We'll watch you on Flatmate yourself. Oh my God. Even Funny Bone shocked. Okay, come and stand here. Take the picture with me. Where are you coming? Think the sweet for Lagos. And Funny Bone, they snap fans. Funny Bone, oh my yummy, show face. Don't snap me and my mama. Useless Lagosians. And Funny Bone go to snap, they complain, what you they do? No good though. Oh my God, man. I love Abuja. Abuja, when I like money for you, see as comedians just come on stage. Go they tackle Oga. Oga, I greet you. You they try you. Yes. Comedians just come. What if this comedians, you know they think, what if you know whole cash? Now know they think just they worry. It ain't bad down. And this country, we like money. Nigerians, and you don't notice, say, no matter the money where you get for this life, if you see person will get past you, you go loyal to them. Do you know that? Yes, money get power. Look at Wizkid. A whole Wizkid, star boy, sell out O2 Arena, Madison Square Garden, sell out everywhere, biggest artist in Africa. Tony Elumelu. If you see the way they control him, nowhere Wizkid never performed for that man. No. Children birthday, inter-house sports, morning devotion. Where shocked me, Tony Elumelu daughter won't marry. Wizkid performed for the bridal shower. I say, money get power. Even this Oga Dino where we say that, he get win go see if you see the way he go humble. I'm going to tell the person just well, it feels good to be here now. Man, we get money. I be a quite boy actually, I be Calabar boy, and I feel very good. Actually, you know, say for Abuja places like this, the way they do things. The package, it shocked me, say, when I even come early to shows like this, when I come off from our house early. Like this Abuja said, they surprised me. Road just big. Why now? Road just big for nothing. When I want to use and do carries, Lagos with the managed road, the road with the Abuja, only that will say road. Now the road for Melaye. Lagos, we can manage road. And they good for here. Like, I like the way the culture there, everything is soft. Everything is soft. Don't be for Lagos. Don't say for Abuja, if you just call person, you don't know him before, please excuse me. Do you know the location? The person go near you because there's safety. Go near you. Okay, use your left, then turn your right, then you. For Lagos, anybody where you excuse, they're wrong. My brother, excuse you know, go use me for it, try the Chris. What's happened? What's happened? And they like money for Lagos. It's on the entertainers, they even come, they don't even worry now for Lagos with a vessel. Collect money. And Nigerians, we are so rude by money. Do you know what I always think about? Those Nigerians, we like to tax well. So I can't, say, oh, you people, no, they like tax. Then if they meet celebrities, they don't want to take pictures. You understand? That picture, they're very important to them. Nigerians have money, they don't care of your celebrity status. They won't collect money. So me, I can't think like, for example, see team like all these football teams. You don't see the players get money way. You don't hear say the coach beg them money before. You know, hear them. Imagine Nigerian man, the coach Man U. Imagine Nigerian coach, the coach Man U. One Saturday, we all look the players. Rashford, yeah, come. Yeah, I want to tell you something. That one go rush come. Yeah, coach, what's up? What's going on? Typical Nigerian man. Rashford. I want to tell you the truth. This thing I'm doing, I've never done it before. They just call me from village that my elder brother carry belle, and I don't know. The way I'm begging you, shame is catching me. Rashford, you are like a son to me. Now Rashford going to tell him, come on, coach, tell me what you need. I'm going to do it for you. This thing is spent. I feel see $2,000 for your hand. Hold on. He will collect the money, chop and finish the next Saturday again. Sancho! Yeah. Rashford, no, not, I beg you before. Sancho! Yeah. I can't decide. Sancho could come. And Jack coach will come again. Sancho, you are like a son to me. Have I begged you money in this life before? They beg. The economy is rough. You don't even enter for Lagos. You don't enter our churches now. If you hear the way pastors they preach these days, you don't say the way they need money. Pastors they vex, and it's even better in Lagos churches because the pastors are educated. Pastor they ask you for money, you no go no say they ask you. You go look, you say, brother, you have money. Give it to God, or die next week. You go give the money. You go. For Akwa Ibom, our pastors, I don't know what they did to them. They are always angry. Calabar pastors, always angry. They'll just come look the church.
The topic of today's preaching is Satan, fuck you.
What's happen? What's Satan do? Go gather fuck him. What's happen? They can vex.
You think Jesus is your mate? You will die on Wednesday.
What's happen? What's happen? Are you crazy? Pastor don't come church before. Just look the whole church.
Everybody write a problem on a piece of paper. Fold it and come and put it inside this basket. Right now.
See everybody they write. Someone write malaria, this one put. Someone write kwashoko, this one put. Someone write house rent, this one put. People were writing with faith. The basket of problem filled to the brim. And the man carried the basket. Now he look the church. Everybody say, what if pastor won't carry a problem too? Now they all look the church again.
Are you sure all your problems are here?
We do like this.
Are you sure all your problem, tribulation, wahala, temptation, and fears are they here?
We do like this. Now I carry the basket of problem. Now he shake her. I keep him back. He get mine, look the church.
Everybody now line up once again. Dip your hand into this basket. Any problem you pick is your new problem.
What's happen? What's happen? Me we put problem as house rent. As I open my problem, I was seeking for the fruit of the womb. This big man. You know, say when I first come on, say Tom they tell me say I dey educated. Make I know come call Dino Melaye. You go play like say I dey beg am money. I be especially as I dey tear, he go don't give me money. I be fool. Oga no verse, oh. Oga no verse. Because I like this man. We're very talented, though. You be senator, you be singer, songwriter, jump out of police van. Nothing will you never do. You have conquered the. Now you supposed to be president. You go to tell everybody how to do them. Portable, you know, you go sing, you go do everything. You're a man of many colors. This kind of table now, you don't know who get money, who not get money. Even driver, they wear kaftan. You don't know, yes, now even who get money, they wear sportswear. So men like kaftan, go buy shirt 1,000, starch 4-5. You won't tear your armpit. Okay? This is my first time in Abuja, sir. If God has put it in your heart. No. I'm not saying you should give it to me. I'm not saying Nigerian pastor, they sabi do that thing. I'm not saying you should give it to me. If you think, hey! I don't leak your eye. Nigerian pastors can't do like this. This is not what God wants. He wants your heart. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. My name is Jesta. God bless you.
Funny Bone Live Abuja. Responsible.